Hi everyone, welcome to Exam Drill 360. In today's session, we will discuss few important questions of geomorphology, which covers mountains, plateaus, plains, volcanoes, earthquakes, rocks, and minerals, which will help you for your upcoming exams. This is the fourth MCQ sessions on geography. Previous sessions are related to Earth structure, latitudes, longitudes, and Earth rotation revolution from physical geography. You can watch those videos from the description. Now let's start today's session. Question number 1. Which mountain system is considered the oldest fold mountain range in India? Correct answer is Aravalli Range. Question number 2. Why are block mountains also called horsts? Correct answer is because they are uplifted blocks due to faulting. Question number 3. Which type of mountains are formed when large land blocks are displaced vertically along faults? Correct answer is block mountains. Question number 4. Which of the following mountain ranges separates the Indo-Gangetic Plain from the Deccan Plateau? Correct answer is Vindhya Range. Question number 5. Why are the Himalayas geologically considered young mountains? Correct answer is because they are formed after the collision of plates during the Tertiary period. Question number 6. Which plateau is known as the mineral heartland of India due to its rich coal, iron and mica reserves? Correct answer is Chota Nagpur Plateau. Question number 7. Why is the Deccan Plateau considered a volcanic plateau? Correct answer is because it is composed of basaltic lava flows. Question number 8. Which plateau lies between the Aravalli and the Vindhya ranges? Correct answer is Malwa Plateau. Question number 9. Which plateau is known as the roof of the world? Correct answer is Tibetan Plateau. Question number 10. Why is the Tibetan Plateau often called the third pole? Correct answer is because it has extensive glaciation with vast ice fields. Question number 11. Which geomorphic process is mainly responsible for the formation of the Indo-Gangetic Plain? Correct answer is fluvial action. Question number 12. Which type of alluvial soil is found in the newer floodplains of rivers? Correct answer is Khadar. Question number 13. Which of the following plains in India is an example of the tectonic basin filled with river and lacustrine deposits? Correct answer is Kashmir Valley. Question number 14. The lowest plains of China are formed due to deposition by which geomorphic agent? Correct answer is winds. Question number 15. Which state has the largest share of the Indo-Gangetic alluvial plain in India? Correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Question number 16. Why is the Pacific Ocean rim known as the Ring of Fire? Correct answer is because it has the highest concentration of active volcanoes and earthquakes. Question number 17. Which type of lava is more fluid and forms sealed volcanoes? Correct answer is basic lava. Question number 18. Which is the only active volcano in India? Correct answer is Barren Island. Question number 19. Why are composite volcanoes more dangerous than sealed volcanoes? Correct answer is because they produce highly explosive eruptions with pyroclastic flows. Question number 20. Krakatoa, A famous volcanic eruption site lies between which two islands? Correct answer is Java and Sumatra. Question number 21. What is the exact point on the Earth's surface vertically above the focus of an earthquake called? Correct answer is epicenter. Question number 22. Which scale measures the intensity of an earthquake based on observed damage? Correct answer is Mercalli scale. Question number 23. Why are earthquakes more frequent in the Himalaya? Correct answer is because of the ongoing collision between the Indian and Eurasian plates. Question number 24. Which seismic waves travel fastest through the earth crust? Correct answer is primary waves. Question number 25. Which earthquake was caused by a megathrust fault and generated a massive tsunami in 2004? Correct answer is Sumatra Andaman earthquake. Question number 26. Which type of igneous rock forms deep inside the earth crust? Correct answer is intrusive igneous rocks. Question number 27. Which sedimentary rock is formed by the accumulation of calcium carbonate from marine organisms? Correct answer is limestone. Question number 28. Which metamorphic rock is formed when limestone undergoes metamorphism? Correct answer is marble. Question number 29. Why are fossils rarely found in igneous rocks? Correct answer is because they are formed from magma and lava that destroy organic remains. Question number 30. Which geologist is known as the father of modern geology for explaining the rock cycle? Correct answer is James Hutton. Question number 31. Which mineral is the chief source of aluminium? Correct answer is bauxite. Question number 32. Which mineral is commonly known as fool's gold? Correct answer is pyrite. Question number 33. Which ore is the primary source of lead? Correct answer is galena. Question number 34. Which mineral is widely used in pencil manufacture? Correct answer is graphite. Question number 35. Which mineral is used in the manufacture of cement? Correct answer is limestone. Thank you for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share. And if you are new here, please subscribe to Exam Drill 360 for more such sessions covering all the GS subjects: history, geography, polity, current affairs, and much more. Let's continue this journey of smart preparation together. Thank you once again for your support. See you in the next video.